our channel, Aathreya Education. Myself, Aathreya. In this video, let us see how to develop our first HTML program. To develop a HTML program, we require a text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit+, Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. Today we are going to use Notepad to develop our first HTML program. To open Notepad, click on Start menu and type Notepad, which opens the Notepad. Now let's start typing the program. We give the tag HTML and close the tag by /HTML. Under the HTML tag, we have two subtags called the head tag Let's close the head tag and the body tag. And we close the body tag. Now, under the head tag, we have a tag called title, which is used to give title to the browser window. Let me give the title as welcome. And let's close the title tag. Now, under the body tag, we give the content which gets displayed on the browser screen. Let me give the content as welcome to HTML. Now let's save the file. To save a file, click on File and Save. The shortcut to save a file is Ctrl+S. Let me save it on desktop. Let me give the file name as welcome.html. The extension given to a HTML file is .html. Now let's save it. And on the desktop, you can find a file called welcome. Double click to open it. And it opens a page in the browser window named welcome and the content is welcome to HTML. In the next video, we will see how to download and install Visual Studio Code and develop a HTML program in Visual Studio Code. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.